Student Wilfran Trillos, Group 12, Day 10/7/2021. Kodak Games. Kodak is a multinational company founded 1989 and New B. Your Eastman. Eastman Kodak did the photography industry for nearly a century. This company is well known brand as a camera photographic clothes. Microfilms is right fans, projectors, mixing and printers. These companies remain number one in the world for decades. But regular adaptation to technology required than undue application and ways has been since the year 2021. Problem faced by Kodak. The problem the company faces today is bankrupt since Beirut and now allocate more resources to reduce their install their new products adapted products serving the new emerging technology in the machine and dots, machine mirror charge market. Apart from that, the SKU's company Cayman and Drew Grace, founder from LS Charlotte and Wall Street, circuit angle between 1998 and 2001. The company early and fortune developed the real commerce were underturned and infants were already with costs adapt to change in traditional products. Consequence, they lost that opportunity to debut in the view with and cover the way revolution iris the markets. Either it looks constant and the new Sarriot next date los dominate. Thank you.